Hello everyone, this is Dr. Vidya Gavande, lecturer, Department of Pharmacy, Government Polytechnic Amravati. Today I am going to focus on small topic, that is hospital, introduction, definition of hospital, history of hospital and functions of hospital. So we will take one by one. Now, learning outcome of this video, after completion of this video, student will be able to explain concept of hospital, functions of hospital. Student will be able to elaborate each function of hospital. Now, what is the definition of hospital? First of all, I want to focus on some origin, how the hospital term comes. Hospital term combinedly came from 4 or 5 terms. Hospice, which is Latin term, hospitality, which having meaning when any guest or special persons come to our house, we usually offer them a special specific fair treatment. That is called as hospitality. And again, the word hostel, all these terms combinedly give the term hospital. As hospital is associated with special treatment, special care of patients. Now, hospital is institution of community health where prevention, diagnosis, treatment, care, rehabilitation taking place. Now, what is prevention? We know that prevention is better than cure. So, prevention is the measures to carry out to avoid the particular disease. Diagnosis is confirmation of disease or disorder. Treatment is prescribed medications for any disease or disorder. Care, the special treatment given to inpatients. Rehabilitation, any addict or alcoholic person spoils his life due to addiction. Then rehabilitation means getting rid of that addiction, getting rid from that addiction or alcoholism. Now, after getting rid of from that addiction, the particular person may get new life, suppose, and therefore rehabilitation term is used. Now, what is history of hospital? Any clue? Do you have any idea regarding history of hospital? In history records of our history records, ancient history records showed the evidences of existence of hospital in the era of Samrat Ashok. But this is historical evidences, historical points. Now, before many years, there is hospital was the concept associated with giving special treatment and lodging to poor and needy people, especially pilgrims also. In New World, the first existed hospital, established hospital was by Spanish in Mexico City in the year 1524 and by French in Canada. Now in our India, there is about 3000 crores are every year invested for hospital, and thousands of hospital, around 6000 to 7000 hospitals are presently in our country. Now, what is the evaluation of hospital? From ancient times, right from after Second World War, there was some provision in tents. There is special area, specific separate area for giving treatment to injured soldiers. Now, the concept of hospital from this is now evolved to a new advanced applicable concept. How this evaluation of hospital then? Scenario of hospital is now changed with modern era. Now, hospital is also associated with laboratory examination, use of diagnostic tools, education and research. Laboratory examination means the use of pathological test reagents for diagnosis. Another tools are also there used for diagnosis. Radiological instruments, radiological appliances, and then education. Many hospitals are accompanied with hospital accompanied with medical colleges, education systems, and thereby involved in research also. Now, we will see one by one functions of modern hospital. First function is hospital raises quality of care and general standards of medical practice. Now, what is the meaning of this sentence? How hospital is responsible for raising quality of care and general standards of medical practice? Nowadays, in modern era, hospital is accompanied with advanced facilities, equipments, competent staff. So all these advanced facilities, instruments, equipments, uh, and competent staff combinedly help in raising the quality of care and general standards of medical practice. Now, the second function is contribute to preventive and social medicine. What is the meaning of preventive and social medicine? Preventive of social medicine includes the different measures to avoid disease and disorder. These preventive measures may be from curative measures to rehabilitative measures. Preventive and social medicine is also known as community medicine. So, thus, hospital is contributing to preventive and social medicine. Next is hospital lowers incidence of diseases by early detection and immediate treatment. Definitely, hospital is responsible for lowering incidence of diseases by early detection and immediate treatment. As we know that there is availability of high class advanced facilities, availability of competent staff, it is possible nowadays to go for earliest detection of disease or disorders. As there is hospitals are nowadays, many hospitals are super specialty having different departments. So in the hospital itself, it is possible to carry out diagnostic test, diagnosis of diseases at earlier, and therefore as there is early detection, definitely immediate treatment will be possible easily. Next is hospital act as link between public and policymaker. Now here the role public is nothing but people in the society, and the role of policymaker here is by government. Now how then government gives frames policies for health. Government runs campaigns for health. Now this is the pandemic situation. Now it's going on. Government giving rules, regulations for that, for controlling that, and every time government frames certain policies, certain rules, certain campaigns. So how it will be carried out? It will be run. Then hospital and its staff act as link hereby between public and policymaker, and these different health campaigns were run by government through hospital and its staff. Next function is it stimulates growth of medical science by various activities. Definitely various activities are going on hospital, like trainings, like workshops, like seminars, like camps, health camps, like campaigns. So these all activities together combined stimulates growth of medical science. Next is hospital help in integration of services. That is bigger hospitals, medium sized, small hospital, very small hospitals. All types of hospitals are existing in our country. So bigger hospitals cooperate with smaller hospitals for services, for different activities, and nothing but this cooperation and coordination among different hospitals is definitely towards trend of integration of health services. Next is hospital act as center for public and professional education and research. As earlier said that many hospitals, these are accompanied with medical colleges. Definitely this is center for professional education now. Again, some hospitals arranges small training programs for public also. Like gynecological maternity hospitals are there. They usually arranges small workshops or training one day training programs to pregnant mothers for giving special training to them how to feed babies, how to hold the small babies, neonates, infants, how to take care of babies, how to identify certain types of symptoms, if any, occur in newborn neonate babies. And again, this is nothing but the way of public education. And again, hospitals which are accompanied with medical colleges, definitely they are also involved in research. They, some hospitals, they take part in research products also. So all are these functions of modern hospital. I hope you all will understand all the points. Thank you very much.